Good morning students, welcome back to Sheba online class. Today let us continue the matrix inversion method. Matrix inversion method we have done in first two sums of the same exercise 1.3. Now let us see third one. Third one is statement problem, and the salesperson has the following record of sales for the month of January, February and March 2009 for 3 products ABC. It has been paid a commission. Ravi has been paid a commission on 3 products ABC. The commissions are varying in 3 products. ஒவ்வொரு ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கும் கமிஷன் வேரி ஆகுது. அது வந்து சேல்ஸ் யூனிட் பர் யூனிட்க்கு இது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. And finally, the rate of commission payable on ABC. அந்த மூணுக்கு எவ்வளவு அவங்களுக்கு கமிஷன் பர் யூனிட் ஒரு யூனிட்க்கு எவ்வளவு கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இங்க வந்து கம்பைனா கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க 9 யூனிட் A, 10 யூனிட் in B, 2 யூனிட் in C equal to 800. And 15 யூனிட் on A, 5 யூனிட் on B, 4 யூனிட் on C. We get the commission is 900 and so on. இது வந்து டைரக்டா நம்ம கொடுக்காம இந்த மாதிரி ஈக்குவேஷன்ல கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நாம என்ன பண்றோம் பர் யூனிட் ஒரு யூனிட்டுக்கு எவ்வளவு அவங்க கமிஷன் கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னு நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண போறோம். அந்த ஆல்சோ இஸ் given in tabular form. Tabular formல கொடுத்துட்டதுனால it is very easy to form the equations. டைரக்டா நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ நம்ம வந்து கமிஷன் ஆன் ABC x y z அப்படின்னு அஸ்யூம் பண்றோம். First assume x, y, z be the rate of commission payable on ABC. Is rate of commission payable on A, B and C. Okay. Next write the equations. Write the equation from the given data. Now to write 9 into x plus 10 into y plus 2 into z equal to 800 like that. We write the remaining two equations 9x plus 10y plus 2z equal to 800. Similarly 15x plus 5y plus 4z equal to 900. And the last one becomes 6x plus 10y plus 3z equal to 800. Now we got the equations. So equation கிடைச்சிருந்ததால நமக்கு போறது ஈஸி. The last two sumல எப்படி நம்ம ஸ்டெப்ஸ் போடுறோமோ அதே மாதிரி போட போறோம். First write the matrix form. Its matrix form is of the form matrix form of the given system of equation becomes 9, 10, 2 and 15, 5, 4 and 6, 10, 3 into the variable x, y, z which is equal to the commission column 800, 900 and 850. Okay. So we write this as A into x equal to b and which implies x is equal to A inverse b. Okay, first find A inverse. For that we need determinant A and adjoint of A. Say and write also what is A and what is B and what is x. A is 9, 10, 2, 15, 5, 4, 6, 10, 3 and B. Sorry, first write x. X is x, y, z and B is 800, 900, 850. Okay. First we have to find determinant A. Determinant A is equal to is a 9 into write in bracket 5 3 are 3 minus 40. Say next minus 10. Minus 10 into 15 3 are 45 minus 6 4 are 24 and plus 2 into 150 minus 6 5 are 30. So which is equal to 9 into 15 minus 40 is minus 25 minus 10 into subtracting we get 2 1 say 21 plus 2 into 150 minus 30 become 120. So after multiplication we get minus 9 into 25, 225, minus 210, and this is 240. So which is equal to, adding these two, minus 5, 3, 4 6 plus 240 is equal to minus, subtracting and put minus sign. We get 5, 9, 3 minus means 1. So this is not equal to 0, therefore our x, A inverse is x6. Okay, therefore our A inverse is x6. So our A inverse x6, and then find adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, we have already done. First write 4 times the A matrix like this, and neglecting the corner elements, and then find the multiplication of the minus 5 3s are 15, minus 4 into 10 40 like that we have to done, and its transpose is our adjoint A. Okay, and after the calculation we get this. The next transposing means this row become column. First row minus 25, minus 21, 120 become our first column, and second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. Okay, this is our adjoint of A. Next, what is A inverse? A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay, and then our x equal to A inverse into B. Say, so substituting all this we get 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B. Okay, 1 by determinant A is minus 195. See, and adjoint of A is this, right? Minus 25, minus 10, 30, minus 21, 15, minus 6, 120, minus 30, minus 105. This is our adjoint A into B. B is 800, 900 and 850. Okay. Now listen, in the column 800, 900, 850 all are multiples of 50. 50 multiples is there, so we can take 50 outside from this column matrix. We get 50 and take the minus in the numerator divided by 195 and write this as it is, minus 10, 30, here also minus 21, 15, minus 6, 120, minus 30, minus 140 into, dividing this by 50 we get 16, here 80, here 70. Okay. Next is, after taking 50, we have to cancelling by 5 table. This become 10 and this become 39. So we get minus 10 by 39 into multiplying this matrix and this matrix we get. First multiply the first row into first column and second row into first column and third row into first column we get this. After the calculation we get minus 70, minus 168, minus 405 and taking this term inside. Okay, we get minus into minus plus 70 into 10, 700 by 39 and minus into minus plus 168 into 10, 1680 divided by 39 and so on. We get 17.95, 43.08, 103.85. So this is our x, y, z. So therefore our solution is x is equal to 17.95, y equal to 43.08 and z equal to 103.85. This is our answer. Let us see fourth one. The fourth one is the prices of three commodities ABC are rupees X5 and rupees Z per unit respectively. P purchases, there are three persons coming from. P purchases 4 units of C and sells 3 units of A and 5 units of B. Q purchases 3 units of B and sells 2 units of A and 1 unit of C. R purchases 1 unit of A and sells 4 units of B and 6 unit of C. In this process, in the process la பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது P, Q and R, those three persons earn rupees 6,000, 5,000 and 13,000 respectively. By using the matrix inversion method, you have to find the prices per unit. Okay, listen. Suppose you are having some money in your hand. If you purchase anything, definitely you will spend the money. So, your money reduce ஆகும். Suppose you save something, ஏதாவது things நீங்க save பண்ணனா, definitely you got the money. In this process, we form the equation. That means for purchase we use minus sign and for sales we use plus sign. Sales பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு amount வருது, அதனால we use plus sign. So the first person purchases 4 unit of C. Purchase பண்றாங்க, so we use minus sign. So minus 4Z because this is unit of C. C க்கு நாம Z எடுத்துக்கோம். So 4 into Z minus போட்டுவோம். Next is sales. Sales means we use plus sign. 3 units of A, 3x plus 5 units of B. B க்கு நாம யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடியது Y. So 5y. இது ரெண்டும் பிளஸ்ல வரும், பர்ச்சேஸ் மட்டும் மைனஸ்ல வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் Q. Q purchases 3 units of B. Purchases அப்படிங்கும்போது B ஏ purchase பண்றாங்க, so Y வந்து மைனஸ்ல எழுதுறோம், minus 3y. Because 3 units of B. Next is sells 2 units of A. 2 units of A means 2x plus 2x and 1 unit of C means 1 into Z, which is equal to அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க. Next R purchases 1 unit of A minus x and sells 4 unit of B, 4y and 6 unit of C means 6z. And we earn money 6,000, 5,000 and 13,000. So நம்ம இந்த respective cases substitute பண்ணிடுவோம். இப்போ x, y, z ஆர்டர்ல இல்ல, first rearrange the order. First x, second y, அடுத்து z வர மாதிரி arrange பண்ணி எழுதிடுவோம். Next என்ன பண்ணனும்? Matrix form. So matrix form is 3 5 minus 4 2 minus 3 1 minus 1 4 6 coefficients in the A matrix, and x, y, z equal to 6,000, 5,000, 13,000. Okay, this is substitute Ax equal to B, and which implies solution is x is equal to A inverse B. And write what is A, x and B. Our A is this 3 5 minus 4 2 minus 3 1 minus 1 4 6. And x is x, y is there, and B is 6,000, 5,000, 13,000. Okay, next you have to find A inverse. To find A inverse, we need determinant A and adjoint of A. Next we find determinant A. So determinant A is equal to this, and after the calculation we get minus 151. Okay, minus 151, this is not equal to 0, and therefore A inverse exists. When 0 இருந்ததுனா not existent stop பண்ணிடலாம். If it is not equal to 0 நமக்கு வந்து therefore A inverse exists. Then we find adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, first write the A matrix 4 times like this and negating the corner element, and then find the minus of the elements. Okay, minus means in the 4 element மட்டும் எடுத்துட்டு போறோம் இல்லையா, 6 into minus 3 minus 18 minus 4 and so on. அதே மாதிரி எல்லாமே எழுதிறோம். எழுதிட்டு we get adjoint of A equal to minus 22 minus 13 5 minus 46 14 minus 17 minus 7 minus 11 minus 19 transposes we got. So after transposing this we get this. Okay, we have to change the rows into columns, we get this matrix. This is our adjoint of A. Next write the formula for A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, and our solution is x is equal to A inverse B, isn't it? Instead of A inverse we use this formula, right? and then B. Next substituting determinant A value is minus 151 is it. Substitute here and adjoint of B also substituting here and B. Now listen, in B all the elements are multiples of thousands. Is it so? I am taking 1000 outside from B. B matrix and 1000 outside. Very well. So and also we are having minus here and inside the matrix so many negative numbers are there. Is it? So reducing that we can take this minus inside. Okay. The minus inside எடுக்கும்போது இது reduce ஆயிடும். Number of negative numbers are reduced. So இந்த minus எல்லாமே plus ஆயிடும். Plus becomes minus. Plus value becomes minus and then minus value becomes plus. Okay. After this, listen. Now multiplying this matrix and this matrix. So multiplying these two matrices we get this. After the calculation we get these three numbers. Now taking this value inside. Taking this into inside we get 453 into 1000 divided by 151 and 151 into 1000 divided by 151 and 302 into 1000 by 151. Okay, taking this by 151 we get 1 here 3 and here 1 1 here 1 time 2 times. Okay, we get 3 into 1000 3000 1 into 1000 and here 2 into 1000. Okay, therefore this is our x, y, z. So our solution becomes x is equal to rupees 3000 and y is equal to rupees 1000 and z is equal to rupees 2000. This is our answer. Understood, students? And do the homework the same method sent by Pankija. Thank you, students.